Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite login failed or unable to log into Fortnite server. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to solve your problem. Now first of all, make sure that you have updated or you have the latest version of your graphic drivers. Just open the drivers and make sure that you check for updates and just like you have latest driver versions. Either it is like you can see my drivers are AMD software, you have Nvidia or like any other graphic card. Make sure that you have the latest version of the graphic card. If not, just update them and try if your issue is fixed or not. Now let's say that your issue is still not fixed. So what you can do is just open the Epic Games launcher, and once you open the Epic Games launcher, just go to your profile section on the right side, click on it, and from here, just click on settings. And once you're in the settings, what you need to do is just scroll down at the end. And at the end, you will be able to see the option called Fortnite along with the two options. So make sure to check the second option, which is additional command line arguments. And once you tick this option, so in this box, make sure to type in D3DLL. And once you type in, just make sure to type this down correctly, dash D3DLL, and save the setting. And once save the settings, you will be seeing like make sure to come back and your settings will be saved. So after that, just restart your laptop or PC and try again, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now, if you find this information useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.